What up, you amazing hackers? It's your boy, the humble hacker from Chi-Town, Shy Ronan, aka Shy Roro, back with another walkthrough. And today, we're going to be going over Gaming Soiva by TryHackMe. Just a quick thing that I wanted to get out of the way. I want to say thank you to all like my subscribers and stuff, people who like follow my content and stuff. We're at 820 subscribers, which is dope. So excited to get that 1,000. Wow. All right, so without any further ado, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, stay updated on future content, and let's go get it. All right, so we have our IP address. Let's go ahead and take that. And as per usual that we do, we run our nmap. So we have our nmap. Oops, I accidentally screwed that one up. Using SC, not 0, you dang old dolt. SC, thank you. Damn, for safe scripts. Dash SV to enumerate versions. OA to output all formats. Soiva. And our IP address. And as usual, already ran this bad boy. So, let's see what we have. Alright, so we have two ports that are open here. SSH and HTTP. As usual, what do? We leave SSH alone, and we only put our focus on every other port other than that. So we don't touch this. We don't touch SSH at all unless we have actual credentials for it. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and start our directory busting. Actually, let's find out what's on this page first. So let's go ahead and copy that. And paste that to see if we get page. So while that's going, let's do some directory busting on this thing first. So let's go with oh, I spelled it wrong. I spelled it fifth, but I had to spell it there we go, that's much better. All right, a word list, so we're going to specify that. No. Our medium word list, our URL, specify fuzz, want to colorize the responses and print out the full path, set our threads to 250 once I put my numlock back on, and let's let this good old thing roll and see what it can dig out. Okay, so far we have uploads. Let's pull that up. What else came up after that? Okay, so we got another one. It's called secret. Let's pull that one up. Okay, so we have secret pulled up. All right, we have uploads pulled up, but the main app does not want to open. So let's put this in another tab. Get rid of that. Okay, so these two are up. Okay, so we have a secret key file here. Okay, let's see if we can see what this is. In our uploads here, we have, let's put these into new tabs. Okay, these things just want to take their little sweet booty time. So let's try to hit these up again. Okay, so connection's timed out. Alright, so, oh, here we go. Alright, so this one just completed. So it looks like this is a RSA key, SSH. So let's copy this, save this as a file. Let's split this in half. Okay. There we are. Let's spell secret correctly, shall we? All right, so let's go ahead and save that file there. See if these other pages came up yet. Okay, connection is timed out. Okay, this doesn't have anything up yet, so let's just do this one at a time. All right, so we have a, looks like a dictionary here. So let's save this under the same name here. So DICT list. So let's confirm that that's correct. LST, not LSD. All right. All right. Let's paste that there. Save that. Let's go to our next tab, which is this manifesto. Is that how you pronounce it? Like with the emphasis on the O? I don't know. If it is, leave yeah, drop a comment in there. Let me know if I pronounced it correctly or not. All right. So okay. So we have the infamous hacker manifesto from 1986. Man, I was young back then. I'm not telling you my age. No, 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 no. All right. Let's go over to this next one. That's supposed to be a meme JPEG, or is it? Because there's no E. It's kind of like Geppetto, maybe. Alright, so we got a little image here. Let's check the source code, see if anything's hiding in it. Nope, it's pretty clean. Alright, so let's go over to the main page again. And let's see what we could do with this secret key here. So, all right, so this is done because as usual, server status means that it's at the end of the list, so we ain't got to worry about it no more. So let's go ahead and clear this out. Let's see, what else can we find in here? All right, so let's close this out because we don't need it open. We already saved this file and we already saved this one, so we ain't got to worry about them no more. And we already looked at these three, so we're just trying to get to the main page and figure out why we can't. Oh, maybe because that's not the correct IP address, you freaking dolt. Much better. House of Dank. Oh, I thought that was talking about weed. No, but this is the House of Danak. Danak? Danak these. I'm not going to finish that. All right, so let's look at the page source on here. Okay, so this was done by freewebsitetemplates.com. All right, cool. Let's see. What is this? John, please add some actual content to the site. Lorem. I'm not going to say that because I don't know if that's some Evil Dead ancient incantation. Is horrible to look at. Okay, so we have a user, John, and we have an SSH key file and a dictionary list. All right, so what are we going to do next? We're going to use a tool called Hydra. You know, we're going to see if we can crack this thing. So we have I to import file, secret key. Then we're going to, oops, no. I was thinking of SSH, my bad, not Hydra. All right, so we got to use, let's look at our help list here to make sure that we're looking at it right. I forgot what letter we're supposed to use. All right, so we call up Hydra-L to specify the user. The user that we found is John. P, enter our password list, which is the dictionary list that we have here. And then, since this is SSH, actually we have to put the IP address first. Let's grab that again. Okay. And we are attacking the service SSH. Here we go. Yeah, this basically shows that. Makes it easy to follow. So we're going to run this here. Going to run the username John against this password dictionary list on this target via SSH to see if we could find an actual password here. So this private SSH key, what else can we do with that while this is running here? We can decrypt this with a tool called SSH to John. go ahead and pull that up. Okay, and this bears a striking resemblance to the private key that we already had. So this is part of the John the Reaper suite, and this script basically transforms SSH private keys to something that to a John format that we could use to crack it. So let's see how we use this. All right, so let's locate the SSH to John script. So let's go ahead and use this. Make sure that this is correct how we typed it. Let me split this in half. Okay, so we didn't get no response from there. So, all right, cool. Let's just close this out. So we see where SSH to John is at. So what's our next move? Right, run the script against the RSA key to create a new file with the content of the output. All right, cool. So we're gonna pick one of these. Okay, we're gonna call SSH to John. All right, let's just copy that. Okay. We saved this under secret key. Okay, change this to idrsa.john. Okay, let's make sure it's there. Yep, here it is. All right, now when we cat it out, we should get the same output as this, which we do. Okay, now that we created a new file named idrsa.john, we need to run John against it. We'll use the rock.txt as a word list, which is our normal one that we always use. So now we simply go John, which is what it says down here in this box. Let's follow that. Word list, specify where our word list is at. Since autocomplete does not work, I have to do it this way. Or do I? Hang on. Crap! Can't do that. Dang it! All right. So let me do it like this instead. Whoops! Gotta fix that. Wrong dang old command. Supposed to use locate. There we are. No. Okay. Jeez, man. Okay, let's copy that. Let's run gunzip to unzip this file since it's .gz. So what basically when I do like a recap of what I just did, what happened was that I located where the rock.txt file is, and it told me where they're at, but each of these three end with the extension of either tar.gz or simply gz, and this is for gzip. So what I simply did was use a command called gunzip to unzip this this file right here into the path that it's already at. So as you see here, when I entered in locate rock.txt, we only got these three results. When I enter it in again, it'll have full. It should have. Oh wait, where the hell did it go? Oh yeah, that was weird. It's supposed to have 4, but hang on. Let's see if I can just do it from here. Let's see. Trying to remember how to untar a file. Let's see. Okay, let's look that up. I don't care about no damn ants. Okay, CVZF. There we go. That's all we need. CZVF. Oh, you doo-doo sucker. What in the... Okay, that stinks. So you know what? We're just gonna do it manually here. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Let's fix this up here. Let's find the dang old thing. Where did it say it was at? Passwords, leak databases. There we are. Extract here. And hurry the hell it up. Thank you very much. Where is... Should be... Let's search for it. Whoops, not that one. Why is it not still showing up here? Okay, let's do a drag and drop instead. Wait. Hang on, got a better idea. Let me just go back to here. Drop this in here. Alright, cool. So, desktop. .txt. Oh. Wait. What? Why does this look weird? Oh, good. All right. Had me all freaked out for a second. All right. So we have, okay, so we're John specifying our word list, right? And where else does it say that we have to do? All right. Next up. Okay, we specify that. And now we have our, what the hell? Hang on. Oh, dash, dash. Okay, so there's two dashes. I did not see that. Okay. And then let's fix that and run it. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Sweet Mary and Joseph. All right. Let's see. SECLIST. I put it there. Jeez. All right. Another switch up here. Just paste it in here. Okay. So let's get rid of all of this. And go. Now let's run it. All right. Cool. So it cracked it. And what it found is that this password here is let me in. Well, that's not good at all. All right, so to use this ID RSA key that we have, which is actually just a secret key file right here, we'd have to give it the correct permissions first, which is 600. And I spelled Chmod wrong. Dang it. And this means that the user can read and write, and that's it. The others, like the group and the others, they don't have any permissions on this particular file. So let's go ahead and add those permissions there. So let's go ahead and do our SSH. So SSH I to import the file here. John at what is the flippin' password for this place? Dang it. Here we are. Let's copy that. And let's go say yes to use this password for secret key. Let me in. And we are in as John. Right up in here. So let's close this out because we don't need this no more. All right. So what's our first step? Let's see if we have our user.txt, which we do right here. Next up, let's see what John can do. So how we do that is, hang on, I'm trying to remember what it was. Oh, right. Sudo -L, not sudoi. Password for John is let me in. And what can he do? Hold up. Okay, what the hell? Hang on. Oh, I thought my caps lock was on. Yeah, that's weird. Let's try this again. So, so Weirds ain't working right now. Because this was his password. Let me just copy this and just paste it in here. Okay, so obviously it does not work. Alright, so let us begin our normal enumeration. Let's see if there was any history first. Cover our bases. If I could spell this damn word correctly. There we are. Alright, so nothing in there. Okay, so this is running Linux version 4.15. Now 0.76. Alright, we already know what user that we are, which is John. So let us begin with our privilege escalation. Look up for our linps right here. Navigate to our temp folder as usual. Set up our Python 3 HTTP server. And put that on port 80 so it doesn't go to 8000 by default. And I totally forgot why I opened this second. Oh, right. Stupid. So I can find out what my IP address is. Alright, so let's go ahead and run that. Alright, so we're running a server there. Here's our IP address. Let us run our wget. Pull up our linps.sh. Got the 200 saying that it grabbed the file, saved it, confirm it. There it is right there. Plus x linps.sh. Now we run linps.sh and see what it can give us here. So let me make sure that the scrolling is at a high number. Okay, good. Got it at 5,000 lines, so it doesn't cut off at its default 500. Okay, so right off the rip, we just got something here. So let's bring this back. We got two things. As we remember, linps, if it's highlighted red and yellow, 95% privilege escalation vector. Okay, so here we got two things. We got this one right here, this vulnerability 2021 4334. So let's pull up that one, and then also sudo looks like it's granted to this LXD here. All right, so let's go to our handy dandy privilege escalation page. What is that page, you ask? Say it with me, ladies and gentlemen. Get the fuck out of here, Bins. Ooh, almost popped a blood vessel on that one. Okay, moving on. All right, GTFO Bins. And it said, what did it say? LXD, right? Not LSD, LXD. You have nothing. Okay. See if we can just Google that. All right, so we have a few articles here. Let's see how our linps is going. Sucks we couldn't have anything in our GTFO bins, but we're still gonna own this bad boy. Alright, so exploit suggester, we have sudo baron samiam. Sam did it? What? Sam did what? Okay. I'm not gonna ask what Sam did up there. I'm gonna keep scrolling down. Alright, so where we at? Set UED screen. This is a virtual machine. Yesin? Buzzer, bloop. Scroll down a little bit more. Blah, 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 blah. And not much else here. Still bringing up the LXD. What users do we have? Root, John, and that's it. Okay. All right, so here's our useful software. Okay, we have LXC. Let's look at that. And we have Perl and PHP and... Wow, okay. But let's look at this one first. Let's see what this does here. Privilege escalation. What is LXD? Introduction. And I think it was already in that first sentence. Okay. All right. So this is a next generation system container and virtual machine manager. Oh, so basically like a VM that we're using inside of a VM. Okay. So that's kind of like, I don't know if y'all remember, but at that show Pimp My Ride with Exhibit. So we have a VM inside of a VM, but in his case, it was, he saw a person who likes yo-yos and they like dogs. So we put a dog in the yo-yo. So when the person would yo-yo, they would yo-yo yo dog. That was a completely stupid joke. Moving on. All right. So we have containers inside of containers. So let's see what we can find through the GitHub. Okay. LXD. See if we could look for something else here. When did this come out? 3 years ago? All right, so what do we do here? Okay. So what do? You just run this? Usage, both exploits require a container, so make one first. I do not know how to do that, sir. Alright, so let's see what this is. Oh, this was the one that we already had. Alright, so... let's see. Wait, what? Hang on. Oh, okay, so all the instructions are here already. So, okay, this is a distro builder. And this just creates it. Create container. Building. Okay, let's see what this does here. Go ahead and copy that crap. Oh, there it is. Just scroll down a little bit. All good. Okay. Let me split this one in half again. And then... and since this is LXD, we're going to put this one in... oh crap, oops, I accidentally put that command in there twice, that's why it didn't work. We're going to put this on the target system, since this is something that affects that workstation and not ours. Alright, so let's go into this folder here, see what else that we need to do. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Wait. Okay, I gotta put this over here. My bad. My bad. All right, hang on. So let's run this again. Okay, and on this system, scroll all the way down. Clear. Okay, cool. Oh crap! Damn. Wrong folder. All right. TryHackMe gaming server. Put this back. wget. Put in our IP address. 13.6.193. And you moron, you did not specify the file. Dang you. Okay. Can't forget that last letter there. Okay, so we... Huh. Let me see. So it didn't get the whole folder. Alright, that's weird. Oops. Let's find wait, where is the one to copy over the whole directory here? I think it's recursive. If I can find it. Okay, so let's go with capital F for force. Let's do that. wget capital F. Crap. Okay. Better idea. Let me see if I can. Oh, crap. Okay, so let me just get the whole file instead here. Where is it? 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 Crap. Let's just zip this thing first. So let's zip, use R. Let's see. Let's do it like that. So we can just untar it on the host here. So confirm the name. Wildcard that out so we get rid of both of these files here. If you see there. Okay, let's run this again. .tar.gz. Now it's actually pulling this file down correctly, which is good. All right, tar. Oops, wrong damn keys. CZVF. And what the hell? Weird, autocomplete's not working. What the hell? Tar cowardly refusing to create an empty archive. What do you mean an empty archive? What the hell? Yes, this does have data in it. So why is it saying it's not? Sweet Jesus in heaven. All right. Let's do this a different way. Let's do this as a freaking zip file instead. Let's try this again. Oh, crap. Whoops. Meant to say wget. Okay. Downloading the complete file again. Okay. Let's see. Make sure the file's in here. Sweet Mary and Joseph. All right. Let's Google it. Oh, seriously, bro? You ain't got... Oh, dang it. Sweet Mary and Joseph. Okay, so this stinks on ice. Let's try... What? It's refusing to write... Oh, Sweet Mary. Missing F option. Okay, why is tar not working here? Okay, blah, 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 blah. Let's see. So let's do Z dash dash uncompress. What the hell? Okay, this is getting stupid, man. What is this thing talking about? Alright. Let's change this capital Z to a lowercase. And it's still not it. Alright. Actually, matter of fact, you know what? You know what? Hopefully this will work, but I got a better freaking idea than to do this garbage. Let's just collect this whole line and just use it here. Oh, wait, hang on. Hang on. You know what? Let's just do it in here instead. And see what we can figure out. Alright, so we have another zip file here that we're going to have to unzip. Let's see what we need to do all together. Alright, so let's just... Wait, where is this at? Oh, never mind. Wrong thing. Okay. Let's see if we're supposed to run this with it. Oh, wait. There's an actual file here. It looks like it's executable. We can just simply run it. Build Alpine. Alright, so looks like it's doing some work here. Installing some files. Let's close this out so we ain't got to worry about it. Okay, so this looks like it's building a Android APK file, potentially. But we're getting somewhere. Yay! Alright, so what did we get in here then? After it ran all of that? Okay, so it looks like it created a zip file, another GZ file here. Okay, so let's see what else do we need to do here. All right, so next up, okay, so we built the image. Now we run this command here after we upload it. Okay, so let's see, we're having, no. Nope. Okay, sorry. I thought I had to unzip this. But yeah, it had that tar.zz file. So, okay, so we just straight up upload it as is. So we're going to run wget. Freaking crap. Forgot to put my dang old IP in here first. Okay, just copy that, paste that there, and run it. Okay, wait, what the hell are you talking about? Oh, wait, no. Okay, whoops. My bad. And all right, now we can run this again. Okay, and it's pulling the file down. We got our 200. Okay, so let's confirm the file is here, which it is. What's our next move? We import the image. Okay, we did confirm it has LXC already in it. Alias my image. Let's copy that. Paste it here. Okay, image imported with fingerprint. Okay, now what's next? Before running the image, start and configure the LXD pool. Okay. Let's go with no. Start with default. Yes. Default. Default again. Damn, man, a whole lot of steps in here. Jeez. Eh. Called the new bridge. The bridge. All right. Sweet Mary Joseph. Okay. Okay, so we're back to our prompt. All right, so what do we do here? So next step, we run the image with this command. Crap. Paste that in here. What? Creating my oh, damn. Whoops, I forgot the name of it. What did I change the name to? Alias. Hold on. Alias, I didn't have the E, apparently. Okay, created my container. Okay, with security privilege true. What is next? Mount the root into the image file. So we will copy this entire line. Stop! There we are. Okay, paste that. Device, my device, add to my container. You damn right. All right, interact with the container. Okay. Okay, and execute my container. Change that to bash. Okay. Okay, so we're still John. So what else are we supposed to do here? Okay, we did everything. Let's try just this one. The one with just SH. Ah, here we go. Okay, much better. Who am I? Woohoo! We are woohoo! Awesome. Alright, so let's CD into that mount point. Alright, so we can simply go to root there. Freaking crap. Hold up, where am I at? Okay. Huh. Oh, right. Mount. My bad. We didn't go there yet. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. So no, not LS. There we are. LS. Here we go. So here is our root key file. Dope. All right. So that was fun. That was definitely fun. So let's go. Let's start from the top and work our way down on what basically happened to get like a good summary. So we only had 2 ports open, which was SSH and HTTP. So what we did was we enumerated the HTTP first. We saw that there was a file with a dictionary list in it, and the main page, it had a user named John that we were able to also find in the secret path, a file called just secret key, which was actually an ID RSA key. We use Hydra to crack the password to that RSA key by using SSH to John, to turn the secret key into a John file, and then be able to decrypt it with the rockU.txt file there. So we confirm SSH works, but the password that we had for John wouldn't let us see what permissions that John actually had on the system. So we spun up HTTP server and uploaded linpeas. Linpeas showed us that LXD, which is a virtual container, that it does have root permissions on it. So we use an application called the LXD Alpine Builder to build an image file that will allow us to get a root shell on that target's VM that we were getting access to. So that was a flip mode squad mouthful. But thank you for being a part of this journey with me. Again, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Stay updated on future content. Keep in mind, every Sunday is a live stream going over bug bounty hunting and web application pen testing. Every Monday is going to be a lab day. So it's going to be either from TryHackMe, Hack the Box, or Offensive Security Proving Grounds. We're going to knock out a room from either one of those for those other people who are going after the OSCP. So just to recap on that one, Sundays is going to be for the bug bounty hunters out there, and Mondays is going to be for the people that want to do more pen testing and go after certs like the Pen Test Plus, CEH, and OSCP. All right. Thank you again, everybody. I am Sha Ronan. Y'all have a great week, and I am out.